Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Mr. Green. This is another in my series of lessons that deal with AP statistics. What I'm going to be looking at today is in Unit 7. So that means you should have finished everything with Unit 6 and turned in the unit test and things like that. We're going to be looking at hypothesis testing for this week. And so I've got a couple of lessons on hypothesis and hypothesis testing and things like that. Just a word about due dates, 28 days. That's what you got. You got to get them done within 28 days of their due date, or else they close up and you won't be able to get your grades taken care of, and then zeros will be permanent in your grade book. So get them taken care of early. So what we're looking at are these subtopics right here, okay? And this whole hypothesis testing fits right into these subtopics, and you don't have to worry about anything else, okay? So p-values. P-values are nothing more than the area under a normal curve. Don't get upset by them. You just need to know what test you're doing, what type of test you're doing, whether it's a binomial, a geometric, or a normal. That helps you a lot because then you can figure out that area underneath the curve very easily. Okay? It's what do we do with those p-values that's the big deal. Okay? Well, we're going to create what's called a null hypothesis. That's making a statement before you start working that says we're testing for the probability of this being totally a random situation. And being significant means that it's not necessarily random. Basically, the significant is because basically everything we've done based on this so far has been random. Okay? So if it's a random situation, we're in good shape. But if it's not, that's significant, and we need to make certain we get that taken care of, right? So that's the types of things that we're looking at. Otherwise, there's not really much new in here. You can go read the lessons and follow what's in the lessons. They're very good. They talk about what you need to do with it. Where we're going to be going is we're going to start with that null statement. We're going to make certain you know what test to perform, find the area underneath the curve, and then compare it to an alpha that you assigned prior. It's supposed to be pre-assigned to the, or you use one in an acceptable range, and then you know how your test was collected, and you make it be meaningful to the test that you were doing, and state your conclusion very according to the question that's being asked. Okay, so those are the types of things we're looking at and where we're going. I do appreciate you letting me know that you're in AP Statistics when you have questions and when you're sending me information. It really helps me find your information and answer your questions a little bit quicker. I will talk to you next time.